Hi, second grade. This is your math video today. Yesterday we talked about perimeter. And remember? Perimeter, perimeter, around the outside. Now we're going to talk about area. How do I find what is inside? So let's get started. All right. So area is the size of the surface that it takes up. It's measured in square units. So you can see right here. So I have my square. And in my box, I have lots of different squares. So to find the area of my square, I can count them. I've already labeled my squares, so I can count them. So I know, let's just check to make sure that I'm right. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many squares are in my box? You're right. So the area of inside my box would be 20 square inches because we counted them up and there's 20 squares in here. So that's why it's 20 squares. Now we can also write it this way, 20 inches square. And I know that my second grade friends are learning how to multiply. So you can also multiply the sides. So you can do, I know we've talked about 5 times 4 and using the clock. So if I wanted to find out, area equals the length times the width. And that equals your area. Now remember, area is all the way inside. So if I wanted to find the area of my box, I would take my length times my width. So I would take this number times this number. So in this box, I would take my 5 times 4 to figure out how much is inside. Well, I know that we used a clock. So let me get my clock. Because you can figure it out this way. If you're still not good at it, that's okay. So here's my clock. Because I know that there's 5 minutes between here. So I'm going to go 5 times 4. So I'm going to go 5, 10, 15. I landed on my 20, which is 4. So 5 times 4 equals what? Yes, 20. And don't forget to label it. Inches square. Very good. Okay, so area is the size of a surface that it takes up, and it's measured in square units. So I have some problems that I need your help with, friends. On my board right here, we need to figure out how the area of the inside. So the first thing is we need to count. Are you ready? Okay, let's number my boxes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we did that. We counted up on this one. We counted up the number of squares inside the box, didn't we? All right, so I know that how many did we get? How many did we get? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know there, let's see, how many did we get again? If you don't know, let's count again. Count the boxes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You're right, we did get 30. So I'm going to label my box and I'm going to put 30. And how do I label it? Square inches. Now, does it say that this one is inches? No, it doesn't. So I can't put square inches. I have to put 30 units because we don't know what they measured in because they didn't tell us. So I have to put 30 units. Okay, now let's look over here. Let's see. Let's try another one. Okay, what are you going to do? You're going to count the boxes that are inside. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You're right, 24. Now, we also talked about in our chart that you see over here, right here, area is length times the width. So we can take the two numbers on the side so I can count them up. So we're going to practice that skill this time. Okay, so how many do I have going across? 1, 2, 3. So this is 3, and we're going to make it inches, okay? And how many do I have going down the side? 1, 2, and 3. You're right. So I have 3 inches, okay? So now if it's area equals your length times your width, well, I'm going to use these two numbers, and I'm going to times them. 3 times 3. Remember, we have 3 equal groups of 3. So even if you don't know how to do this, you can still figure it out. I have 3 equal groups of 3. So here's one group of 3, 2 groups, and 3 groups. So how many do I have? You're right. It's 9. So 9 inches squared. I can also write that 9 square inches. Okay, so you can label it a couple different ways, but you have to remember to label, otherwise your teachers won't know. It might be blueberries, pickles, cows, ducks, chickens, who knows? So you have to make sure that you write it. And remember, with area, it's length times the width, or we do this. We count the squares. The area is this total size of what's inside, and it takes it up its measure. So you can count the squares to find it out. Or you can multiply the sides and take the area equals length times width. Okay, friends, today I challenge you. I challenge you. Can you find the area of a room in your house? Can you do that? Okay, friends, until tomorrow.